Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your photos using your applications on your phone. Let's get started. Now first is you have to choose your picture. In here, I'm just choosing photos. I'm just choosing 3 photos and I'm just gonna put it in my favorites so it's not gonna be hard for me to choose and edit pictures later on. Now let's get started in editing our pictures. We're going to use the VSCO app. Don't worry, this VSCO app is free and very easy to use. Now you get to your import profile, just go to your favorites album, just choose the pictures that you want to edit and just import it into your VSCO application. In here, I'm just using the HB1 editor and just putting it down to positive 5.0. Then we go to the brightness and adjust it to positive 0.1 and put it into contrast to 0.1 as well. Now once you're done editing your pictures, just choose the pictures and just export it into your camera roll. And then you're ready to upload it. To further enhance your picture, you can use the Makeup Plus app, which is also a free application. Makeup Plus is one of my favorite applications because you can choose to change your hair colors, even your eyes, or put some faux freckles in it. Here, I'm just choosing the photos that I want and putting the beautification on low because I don't want to further enhance my picture since I've already edited in the first apps that I use. In here, I'm just choosing the hair color application. We can choose the different colors that you want. I'm just using here the pink, and you can also adjust the colors depending on the intensity of the color that you want for your hair. Now, once you're done with your hair, you can also put the faux freckles or maybe you can put some beard. I'm just putting here some faux freckles and just adjusting it down to the level that I want. You can put also eyeshadows and you can choose to change your eyes color depending on what you want. Going to enhance the background of my picture. I always prefer the white background, so here I'm just using the SNAPSEED. Just choose your picture, put the selective on, put the dots in it, and just adjust the brightness of your picture. So here you are guys, here are the final edited pictures. It's not as complicated as others would edit their pictures. These are just simple editing apps that I use, and also the apps that I use are also free. Let's get connected! Visit my Instagram and let's be friends. Visit my personal account and also my food account listed on the screen. So much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye guys!